So the moment of truth, this is the code before anything was implemented. I only have those singleton classes, and this is the code after I implemented all those patterns like abstract factory, builder, mediator, everything. So what is the difference between these two? Let's run those outputs. This is the code before. This is the code after. So output is the same, but what I gained in terms of performance or in terms of code quality is that now I can add or remove any classes. Like if I want to add a pool table into uh, the set of equipments, I can easily add it in the equipment factory. I just need to implement this iEquipment class, iEquipment interface, just like this equipment is doing, and everything is the main does not get revealed. I can use it in main with this interface. I also gained in terms of mediator. If in the previous code, if I had to do something like when my cue hits a ball, it needs to change position and change color. I have to get those two meshes like cue ball and cue stick, and I have to check that those two are connecting. Those two are hit, and then I had to change this position and all those things here, which is very big file. So the user io.cpp will get rebuilt, but in this code, I don't need to do that. I just had to like here. Where was it? Yeah. I just had to use this cue ball method, which will eventually send a message to cue ball and it will get hit. So a lot of things are taken care of. Like you don't, if I want to add a new class, I can easily add it. If I want to build a class, just like I show you um, in the QREC example, in the previous code, it was just two meshes, and now the whole object contains a queue and a rec mesh. So that's something good. And I've used this factory button to implement which handles the creation of all the equipments. And well, in previous case, I had to use those meshes, which I loaded from the save file or settings file. I didn't have any equipment concept or something. So a lot of human readability has improved in this code, and unnecessary rebuilds are avoided in this code. Thank you.